fantastics, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ guys. Today we are making a clear slime, if you will. We are making a clear slime without glue and with no glue, no clear glue, no Fevigum, nothing, and with no Borax Activator as well. Like, oh my god, like it's so easy, and literally any one of you guys can make it at your home without any special ingredients. So yeah, today if you guys are excited to see what I am making, so make sure you give this video a like and subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed already. So now, without talking too much, let's get started with this amazing slime recipe. So let's go. So for making our slime, let's take our bowl. So here's our bowl, and now the most amazing ingredient you guys have been waiting for. So the magic ingredient is peel off mask, and this is a clear peel off mask, which is like literally my favorite for making clear slime, and it has like a very pretty gold tint to it, which almost makes it looks like a gold glitter slime. So yeah, if you guys are excited to see how we make the slime, let's start making the slime. So now I'll just zoom you guys a bit in. So now I think you guys can probably see it. So let's take some peel off face mask, and oh my god you guys, it's already dripping. So yeah, let's take some peel off mask. Like, can you guys see that? It's not focusing. Like, wow. Let's add it into our bowl. Like, can you guys see that? How pretty it looks. Wow. We'll take little bit, like this much. Can you guys see that? How pretty does that look? Oh my god. It's one of my favorite ways to make no glue, no borax recipe. Like, it really works. Like, it's so easy. And it works all the time. Like, seriously. And now we'll take a little bit of water and add it into it, because it really activates, and if it activates too quickly, then we'll have a rubbery slime, and we don't want that. We want a very nice and playful, playable slime. So yeah, I cannot stop looking at it. Like, it's so pretty. Like, wow. Okay, so let's just add a little bit of water. So this is just plain water. We'll add about 3 teaspoons. So we've added 3 teaspoons of water. Now for the activator part, you guys can use my no borax activator, which is fantastic lens solution. I'll give you guys that in the I button if you don't know how to make it. But today we are going to use a different method, which is a lot easier to find. That is contact lens solution. So we can make slime with contact lens solution. It is a new bottle, you guys. I haven't even opened it, so you guys can see that it is contact lens solution. I haven't added like borax or anything. It's literally new. So yeah. And now that we've added water, we are going to add a bit of baking soda, because contact lens solution alone cannot activate our slime. So yeah, now we'll add baking soda before mixing our water into the face pack. Now we'll take a little bit of baking soda, like literally just this much, because it's just super concentrated. So yeah, now we've added our baking soda. So now we'll mix our water and our face pack together. Let's mix this now. As you guys can see, it literally gets even more thicker after we've added water. Like, wow. We can add a little bit more water if we want, and you guys can add a lot if you want more slime. If we add more water, then we'll have more quantity of slime, but I am really happy with this consistency. And now I think I should add my lens solution into it. So now let's activate this beautiful slime. So this is a new bottle and let's add drop by drop into our glue solution. Like as you guys can see in front of your eyes, it's activating. Wow. This recipe literally never fails me, you guys. It's literally one of my favorite. As you guys can see, it is pretty much activated. But if you want to fasten up the process, you guys can add more, contact lens solution and yep, just activate it. Like, can you guys see how fast it is activating? And yeah, it has some bubbles, but not as much as, how clear slime has. But it does get cleared, you guys. It does get clear and it's like super, super pretty. So at this point, you guys can take some contact lens solution in your hands like this, and then you just start kneading it with your hands. Just pick it up, and oh my god, you guys, so pretty. Wow. Can you guys see that? It's an actual slime, you guys. The stuff they use in a peel-off face mask is pretty similar to a clear glue, but it's not, like school glue type of, thing, but it still works. Like, can you see that? Like, wow. So pretty. So bubbly as well. Like, wow. Can you guys see the shimmer? Oh my god. It has gold pigment in it, which is like, wow. It's really, really nice, you guys. Oh my god. So yeah, fantastic. That was it for today's video. If you guys want to see more no glue, no borax recipes like this, then make sure to comment down below your slime recipes. And I'll soon try those recipes as well. And comment down a positive comment if you want a shout out in my next video. So yeah, guys, that's it. Like, look at it. Like, just how bubbly this is. Wow. And yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.